I got another one on the senko. Oh my God, this is a giant. This is a big one. This is giant. This is a giant. Oh, don't spit it. Please don't spit it. Please don't spit it. Please don't spit it. Gosh. Oh my gosh. That's 14. Welcome back to another video. Today it's some nice weather. We've been having cold rain, but today it's sunny. It's kind of hot out here and it's nice, so I decided to get out. So I'm trying to do a creek mission. Got a swim bait and senko. That's all I got today in my bag. We'll fish further down the creek and head to the spot. Hopefully, I think the reds are still in the creek. During the cold months, the reds push back up in the creek, chase bait and stuff because the water is cold enough for them. And they come up in here, and this is a brackish creek. So I'm gonna get out here today, try to get on some fish for y'all. So I'm tune back in with you guys. Start off with the senko. You got a 15-pound braid to a 15-pound test leader. And we're just gonna make some skip casts up on this bridge right here. Work that senko back out of here. Senko is a great finesse bait for pressured waters. This creek, the fish aren't real pressured. They're skittish. It's natural. They're so sinking, ashing. I might switch to a black and blue. This water is a little tinted. But yeah, senko works. Phenomenal bait. I recommend it. Definitely one of my go-to lures when the bite is hard. It's kind of hard to fish right here, the angle and stuff. But once I stand up on here, my braid is just furling up against me. Yeah, I'm supposed to black and blue. So I fish further down with the senko. No bites. This water is icky and just, it's like a nasty green tint to it. It's look like shit. It's so nasty, but I'm gonna move to the black and blue senko. Hopefully the further down I get in the creek, it started clearing up. Maybe just a stretch. Thought about fishing a swim bait through here, man. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I don't really use a senko. Slurp it so bad. Slurp. Oh, look. Oh, I don't see it. If anybody know the name of that woodpecker, comment down below. You pecking the mess out that root. Too, that's another good bait. I want to fish up in the street. Fluke. Definitely. My second go-to besides senko. Uh-oh. Got one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. Stay hooked. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. I don't know how I'm gonna get him. I don't know how I'm gonna get him. He just came out and smoked it. Stay hooked. He's hooked nice. 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 Also, the camera quality is so trash right now. I just don't know how I'm gonna. Oh, he's hooked nice. He's hooked nice. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I'm gonna get him. How am I gonna get this bass? How am I gonna get this bass? How am I gonna get this bass? How am I gonna get it? I got him. Oh, we got him. Hold Papa got this stud. It's like a hot, maybe 2 or 3 on the senko. Let's get this hook out of it. Hook is out. Stud. Oh my God, let's get a weight on it. Alright, we got the scale. It's 0 pounds and ounces. Three pounds, 1 ounce. Let's go. On the senko. Let's get it released on. I'm about to drop it like this. This one though. Oh my goodness. Let's go. We just caught a 3-1 on the senko. I made a cast there along this wall right here. And next thing I know, I just see a fish come out and absolutely smoke my senko. No hesitation, just set the hook and he took off. Oh my goodness, that was a nice bass on the senko. Cast up against this wall right here, and buddy came out and hit it. I'm glad I switched over to the black and blue. Son told me to switch over because the water clarity and everything. I had a green pumpkin on because most times this creek is clear. Well, not clear, it's clear. The visibility is, phenomenal. But I just maybe subtle switch to the black and blue and maybe picture it on that wall, 2 twitches out, and the bass came and smoked it. That's how I like the senko. I mean, the glide bait probably would have drew him out, but he probably would never, ate it or whatever because it's a glide bait, Most times they don't really smoke it. But I'm glad I caught that fish. That just let me know that they are in the creek, even though this water is kind of, dingy or whatnot. I got another one on the senko. Oh my God, this is a giant. This is a big one. This is giant. This is a giant. Oh, don't spit it. Please don't spit it. Please don't spit it. Please don't spit it. Set the hook some more. Oh, he swallowed it. He swallowed it. Oh my goodness. I know y'all can't see. I'm so sorry. I'm up on this wall, but this is a mother. Oh, excuse me, language. I ain't gonna cuss. He swallowed it. He swallowed it. I thought I was recording for y'all, but it was a time loop. It was on a time loop. Somebody had called me. Oh my goodness. How am I gonna get this fish? I'm gonna let him tire himself out. Oh my goodness. Y'all probably can't see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, that man don't come out here. Oh my goodness. I can't wait till the spawn. Oh my goodness. He choked it though. I'm just letting it tire himself out. Something told me to make a cast right there. I'm throwing the glide bait next, bro. I gotta get one on the glide. This is like a 4. He's not tired. She's not tired yet. Oh my God, they're just fighting. Ferocious head shakes. Oh my goodness. No, it's a bass. A bass? Yeah. God almighty, home. I gotta wait till he tire out so I can try to get him. Damn. Yeah, man, some giants in here. People just don't know that. Yeah. Yep. God almighty. Yep. Try not to fall in the water.
I got you on, man. Go ahead and grab a hold of me.
All right.
I got you, man.
Hold on, You
need both hands?
No, not really.
Damn, that's sweet right there on a Sunday.
Oh my goodness.
Good God, look at that bad boy.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Yeah, I got it.
All right, brother.
Thank you so
wow, dude. Hell
oh,
yeah.
Goodness. Look, guys. Oh my gosh. So I just hooked up to another one. Second cast. Well, not second cast, but a couple casts after the first fish. Yeah. And I'm trying to get a weight on this, guys, for you. Scale zeroed out. Three and a half 3 pounds 4 ounces, almost a 4 pounder on the senko. So here, yeah, that should be golden. Should be a fish. Probably it's not, bro. That's a good area, bro. Shade, outcoming water. Maybe I'll take another cast in there. That wasn't a good cast, but try to get up on there. Fish past that branch. I was so ready to set the hook. Fish right there? That's a surprise. That's gonna end today's video. We got on some nice fish, 2 3-pounders on the senko in this little stretch of the creek right here, and I couldn't ask for anything better. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in and staying tuned. There's gonna be more to come. Spawn is coming up. A lot going on. Last senior year, so I'm gonna be out of school. And I'm getting more time to go fishing and start taking this whole YouTube thing serious. But I want to thank you guys again for tuning in and staying tuned. Make sure you guys go subscribe to my Instagram. Link will be in the description. But definitely posting these pictures today of the 2 fish I caught. But all work done on the spinning combo with the the weightless senko. But thank you guys for tuning in. Can't say that no more. Thank you for the ones that follow on Instagram and everything, and but I'm definitely gonna have some more videos coming out. I keep saying that, but I'm just stop saying it and just do, action be words. But thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'm out.